Hey, how you doing? So listen, you want to hear a story about some duck tongues? Well, you hang right in there because we're going to talk about that right now.
Zombie apocalypse.
Hey, how you doing? Good to see you again, and welcome back to the show. Thanks for stopping by. And as always, hope to find everybody safe, healthy, and in good spirits. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up and the bell icon. Subscribe, bell icon, and thumbs up. I appreciate it every time you guys do it. If everybody has done it before, thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, so check it out. Today I got this story about duck tongues. All right. You know, a lot of people, well, not a lot of people, but people that are into, bad things or whatever you want to call them, smugglers and this and that, are always like smuggling things in, trying to get things in, whether it be counterfeit pocketbooks or, drugs, whatever it can be, it's always being like smuggled in, right? Well, somebody's trying to smuggle in duck tongues. Have you ever heard that before? That's crazy. I read it. I'm like, duck tongues? What are you freaking? What are you gonna do with duck tongues? But evidently, there was a big seizure at JFK Airport of duck tongues. I'm gonna read the story to you real quick. Seized at JFK, duck tongues. Federal authorities have seized more than 1,000 pounds of duck tongues and intestines and blood clams at Kennedy Airport. The discovery was made by Customs and Border Protection officers in January on a shipment from China. Here we go again. It's coming from China. CBP agricultural specialists are the first line of defense to prevent the introduction of animal diseases that have the potential to cause significant damage to the nation's agriculture economy. Come on, what's going on here, man? These freaking Chinese, man, they're still trying to get shit in here. It's crazy, right? Duck tongues. They're freaking sending duck tongues out now. Who has anybody here? Definitely leave a comment. Let me know. I mean, have you ever seen duck tongues anywhere? I know a lot of people, are into like crazy things. Even my buddy Henry, you're into like crazy things. Have you ever heard of duck tongues? I mean, are these to be cooked? Are they didn't really explain too much what they're used for. Do you cook them? Do you freaking dry them out and make them into sauce? Like, what do you do with them? What do you do with duck tongues? Do you are they for art purposes? What do you do? You know what I'm saying? But yeah, they were smuggling 1,000 pounds of freaking duck tongues. Think about it. What's going on here? There's the diseases. There's coronavirus. There's all this kind of crazy crap that's going on in this world. And they're still sending shit over here. It's crazy. Crazy stuff. If anybody has any recipes for duck tongues, please let me know. Again, I mean, I heard of cow tongues. I remember when I was younger, there was cow tongues in the freaking meat market and stuff. I used to pick them up and chase people around with them. It was like big freaking, cow. I never had duck tongues, man. But I guess they eat them. I don't know. I really don't know. I'm really gonna need some help here. If anybody out there really knows anything about duck tongues or can give me some kind of information of what's going on with this and why they're trying to smuggle these things in here. And it also said, the intestines and blood clams. What the freak is going on here, man? I mean, are these going to Chinese restaurants, these duck tongues? They're cutting them up and they're selling as freaking General Chow chicken? I don't know. A possibility, right? Let's send in duck tongues. You chop it up, man, and cover it with that stuff. General Chow chicken. Here you go. All right, let me know if you got any ideas. Leave some comments. Leave those thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Let me know if you want anything about duck tongues. What do you want to do with them? All right, guys, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. Definitely appreciate that thumbs up as always. I'll talk to you soon. Take care of yourself. I'm out of here.